The problem that we are going to see now is draw a curve when the distance of focus from the directrix is equal to 40 mm and the eccentricity value is 3 by 3. Also draw a tangent and a normal to a point on the curve. Today we will be seeing construction of parabola. First draw the vertical line which will be the fixed line of the curve. Then draw a horizontal line at the center of the vertical line. Now the intersection of the horizontal line and the vertical line is marked as C. Here the horizontal line will be the axis of the curve. As per the given data, the distance of focus is at a distance of 40 mm from the fixed line. Since the focus value is given as 40 mm, take the 40 mm from the intersection, that is the point C, so that the distance of CF will be equal to 40 mm. As per the given data, the eccentricity value is 3 by 3, which can also be written as 1 by 1. Now, summing up the numerator value 1 and the denominator value 1 will be giving you 2. After getting the summation value, the focus that we already have is 40. So now divide the 40 by the summation value 2. So you will be getting it as 20 mm. This 20 mm will be helping you to locate the point G between C and F. So take the distance 20 mm from the point F so that you will be getting the point G in between C and F. This point will be G. Then by taking G as center and the GF as radius, you have to draw a semicircle. This semicircle should be half above the axis and half below the axis. Now draw a vertical line through the point G. So this vertical line should be parallel to the fixed line that we have already drawn. Now the intersection of the semicircle and the line from G is named as M. Now a line is being drawn from the point C and the point M, and it is also been extended. From the point G, at each 10 mm interval, we need to mark a point on the axis. So at first 10 mm distance, the first point is marked and it is being denoted as 1, and in subsequent intervals the points are marked and it is denoted as 2. Once the subsequent points are found out, through those points we need to draw a vertical line such that those vertical lines are parallel to the fixed line that we have drawn in initial condition. So these parallel line will be intersecting the CM line at different points, and those points are marked as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and so on respectively. Now take 1 dash as radius and F as center, cut an arc above the axis and below the axis. So this cutting point should be on the line from 1. Next take 2 dash as radius and same F as center, cut an arc above the axis and below the axis on the line of 2. Repeat the same process till the end of the point, that is point number 10. So you will be getting 2 arcs above the axis and below the axis by taking respective radius and F as center. After getting the cutting points are finally jointed with the point G at both above the axis and below the axis. Now to draw a tangent and normal to this parabola, select any one point on the curve. Then from that selected point, draw a line to the point F. Now to the newly drawn line, draw a perpendicular so that this perpendicular line meets the fixed line that we have drawn in initial stage. So there you will be getting an intersection point of the perpendicular line and the fixed line. find the intersection and connect that intersection with the point that you have selected on the arc. So this line will be the tangent line. To the tangent line, draw a perpendicular through the point that we have selected. So this line will be acting as a normal line to the curve that we have drawn.